I know the thoughts that race through your mind when the room goes dark. I know the worries about tomorrow that try to steal your peace. But tonight, I am commanding my angels to surround your bed. There are 7 ways I am protecting you while you sleep. My precious child, breathe deeply. The day is over. Whatever was done is done, and whatever was left undone can wait for tomorrow. Do not carry the heavy burdens of today into your rest. I see how hard you try, how much you care, and how easily your heart becomes troubled when the night falls and the house is quiet. The enemy loves to use the silence of the night to whisper lies of fear, doubt, and insecurity into your mind. But I am here to silence the noise. I am standing guard over your mind, your spirit, and your home. Let my voice be the last thing you hear, and let my peace be the blanket that covers you. The first way I am protecting you tonight is by guarding your mind against anxious thoughts. The moment you close your eyes, I am placing a filter of divine peace over your thoughts. Those scenarios of what if, those memories of past failures, those fears of the future, they are not from me. I am replacing them right now with thoughts of hope, love, and grace. Your mind is my temple, and I am driving out the chaos. Sleep in the confidence that I am in control. The world outside may be chaotic, the economy may be uncertain, people may disappoint you, but in this room, in this very moment, there is only my peace. Let it wash over you like a gentle wave, carrying away the debris of the day. You do not have to figure out everything tonight. Allow yourself the grace to simply exist, wrapped in my unconditional love. The second way I am protecting you is by sending a legion of warring angels to surround your home. You cannot see them, but the spiritual realm is active tonight. Angels of protection are stationed at your doors, at your windows, and at the foot of your bed. No spiritual attack, no demonic influence, and no weapon of darkness can cross the threshold of your home. You are hidden in the shadow of the Almighty. The darkness trembles at the mention of my name, and my name is written over your life. When you hear the wind outside, know that it is a reminder of my unseen presence wrapping around your dwelling place. My angels are vigilant, they do not tire, and they will keep watch over you until the morning light breaks through your curtains. You are profoundly safe. The third way I am protecting you is by restoring your physical body. Sleep is not just rest, it is the time when I knit you back together. The stress that has built up in your muscles, the exhaustion in your bones, the heaviness behind your eyes, I am healing it tonight. Before you drift completely into sleep, if your heart is heavy and you need my profound peace, I want you to make a simple declaration. Type "Heal me Jesus" in the comments right now, and let my spirit wash over your soul. I am slowing down your heart rate. I am calming your nervous system. As you breathe in my healing spirit. As you breathe out, release the tension of the world. I formed you from the dust of the earth, and I know exactly what your body needs to recover. I am repairing the damage caused by stress, repairing the cellular wear and tear, and boosting your immune system. You will wake up not just rested, but physically renewed and energized for the purpose I have for you. The fourth way I am protecting you is by fighting your battles while you rest. The enemy wants you to stay awake, analyzing how you will solve tomorrow's problems. But I am the God of the impossible. While you sleep, I am moving the hearts of people. I am rearranging circumstances. I am paving the way for your breakthrough. You do not need to figure it all out tonight. Your job is to rest, my job is to fight. Be still, and know that I am God. The situation that seems like a massive mountain to you is nothing but a grain of sand to me. I am actively working behind the scenes. Documents are being approved, minds are being changed, healing is being dispatched, and provision is being released. When you wake up, you will see the evidence of the battles I fought for you in the dark. The fifth way I am protecting you is by shielding your family and your loved ones. I know that sometimes your greatest fears are not for yourself, but for those you love. Tonight, my hands are covering your children, your spouse, your parents, and your friends. The same protection that is over you is extending to them. Do not let fear for their safety keep you awake. I love them even more than you do, and they are safe in my grip. Whether they are sleeping in the next room or miles away, my presence bridges the distance. I am keeping them from harm, steering them away from danger, and wrapping them in the same peace you are experiencing right now. Your prayers for them have been heard, and my protective shield is fully deployed. The sixth way I am protecting you is by sealing your dreams. The enemy often tries to attack through nightmares, planting seeds of fear and confusion while you sleep. But tonight, I command peaceful, restorative, and prophetic dreams over your life. If you dream, let it be of my presence, my light, and my promises. Let your spirit commune with mine in the quiet hours of the night. No fear will touch your subconscious mind. I will give you visions of hope, glimpses of your beautiful future, and deep spiritual insights. Your sleep will be sweet, as the scriptures promise. I am standing guard at the door of your subconscious, allowing only my truth and my love to enter. And the seventh way I am protecting you is by securing your tomorrow. The anxiety you feel about the future is unnecessary because I am already there. I have already prepared the grace you will need for the challenges of tomorrow. I have already secured the provision you will require. Tomorrow is not a threat, it is a gift that I am carefully preparing for you. You do not need to fear the morning light. The mercies I have for you are new every single morning. I have laid out stepping stones of favor for your feet. Whatever tomorrow brings, you will not face it alone. I will be your wisdom, your strength, and your guide. So now, let go. Unclench your jaw. Relax your shoulders. Sink into the peace of my presence. I am watching over you. I will not slumber nor sleep, so you can. I am the Alpha and the Omega, the beginning and the end, and I hold your timeline in my hands. Close your eyes, my beloved. Let the rhythm of your breathing sync with the rhythm of my peace. You are safe. You are deeply loved. Your home is a sanctuary, and your soul is anchored in me. Good night, my precious child. Sleep well. The silence of the night can sometimes feel so heavy. It is the time when the distractions of the day fade away, and you are left alone with your thoughts. And I know how those thoughts can spiral. The regrets of the past and the fears of the future often hold hands in the dark, trying to pull you into a pit of anxiety. But I am the light that shines in the darkness, and the darkness has not, and will never, overcome it. I want to talk to you about the physical toll that stress is taking on your body. You were not designed to run on cortisol and adrenaline. You were designed to operate from a place of rest. When you refuse to surrender your worries, your body absorbs the shock. The headaches, the tension in your neck, the stomach issues, these are often physical manifestations of a spiritual burden. Tonight, I am lifting that burden. Imagine it as a heavy backpack that you have been carrying all day. Take it off. Set it down at my feet. You do not need to carry it into your sleep. Let my healing energy flow through your veins right now. Let it relax your muscles. Let it soothe your digestive system. Let it bring balance to your hormones. I am the great physician, and my prescription for you tonight is complete and total surrender. Consider the stars outside your window. I know every single one by name. Not one of them falls out of alignment without my permission. If I can sustain the galaxies with the word of my power, can I not sustain your life? Your problems are not too big for me. The mountain you are facing right now is merely an opportunity for me to show my glory. The obstacle in your path is merely a stepping stone to your promotion. Stop trying to figure everything out. Stop trying to play the role of the creator. You are the created, and you are deeply loved. I want you to think about the people in your life who need your prayers tonight. Instead of worrying about them, intercede for them. Turn your anxiety into a weapon of spiritual warfare. When you pray for your children, you are building a wall of fire around them. When you pray for your spouse, you are inviting my Holy Spirit to soften their heart. When you pray for your friends, you are unleashing angels to minister to their needs. Your prayers are powerful. They are not empty words spoken into the void, they are spiritual decrees that shape reality. And what about your own dreams? The deep desires that I planted in your heart long ago. The enemy wants you to think that it is too late. That you have missed your window of opportunity. That you are too old, too broken, or too unqualified. That is a lie from the pit of hell. My timing is perfect. I am not bound by the limitations of time. I can do in 1 year what you thought would take a decade. I am the God of restoration. I will restore the years that the locusts have eaten. I will bring dry bones back to life. Do not bury your dreams in the graveyard of fear. Keep hoping. Keep believing. Keep trusting. As you drift off to sleep, I want you to forgive yourself. Forgive yourself for the mistakes you made today. Forgive yourself for the words you shouldn't have spoken. Forgive yourself for the times you lost your temper or doubted my goodness. There is therefore now no condemnation for those who are in Christ Jesus. My grace is sufficient for you, and my power is made perfect in your weakness. You do not have to be perfect to be loved by me. You just have to be willing. Let the warmth of my love cover you like a blanket. Let the rhythm of your breath sync with the peace of my spirit. The night is my creation, designed specifically for your restoration. Embrace it. Surrender to it. I am standing guard over your mind, your body, and your spirit. No evil will touch you tonight. You will wake up tomorrow with renewed strength, a clear mind, and a joyful heart. Sleep in heavenly peace, my precious child. I am with you. If this prayer blessed your morning, please take a second and hit the subscribe button. We release new prayers every single day to help you start your day anchored in God's peace. And if this touched your heart, give it a like and tap the bell icon so you never miss a prayer. God bless you. See you tomorrow morning.